back to my channel. This week, I'm gonna unbox the order online. At ito yung mga naipon ko ngayong linggo. Let me show you guys. And here we go. Let's get started. Hi! Simulan na natin. My first order is here. This is the tummy trimmer na kung saan kung gusto nyong magpa-sexy, magpaliit ng
Wow!
It is only wala yung price and hindi ko na alam kung magkano. Kailangan na natin magpalit ng tiyan. Woo! Here. For upper tummy, where to for lower tummy. Nakalag na kayo dito kung paano siya gamitin. So here, ito siya. Ito, ilalagay nyo sa paa nyo. Yan. Ito, igaganto pala. Hindi mali. Paano ba? Ayun, nakaganto dapat. Teka lang. Aayusin natin ng bonggang-bongga. Here. Suot mo. Tapos ganon, magaganon ka. Para lumiit yung tiyan. Pang exercise. Okay, dumako naman tayo sa second order. This is umbrella. Nasira kasi yung umbrella ko nung nakaraan. Alam niyo namang tag-ulan na. Kaya kailangan bumili na kayo ng umbrella. Automatic to. Kasi di ba pag magmamadali tayo, kailangan patay agad. So, tingnan natin kung quality siya. Saan natin? Maganda rin naman yung tela eh. Ay! Let's 119 lang to, kasama na yung delivery charge. Let's proceed to order number 3. And here, dahil sira na yung aking pang-office na clothes shoes, so I have to order online. Pupunta sana ako ng SM kaso naisip ko hassle, so I have to decide na mag-order na lang online. Ang brand nito ay Cardams. So let me show you here. Size 7. Oh, ang galing, may resibo sa loob. Ito na po siya. Sukatin natin kung kasya. Oh, so really fit. It's so nice and comfy. Comfortable siya. Ayan. Comfy niya. Napaka-comfy. And the last one na order ko is here, money organizer. Kailangan na natin maging wais sa pera. It's only 93 pesos and including na yung the legal charge. Here. This is a money organizer. Let me show you guys. And here. So for this, bills, savings, emergency funds, and food, and grocery. Yan. That's all, guys. A tummy trimmer, umbrella, clothes shoes for my work, and then money organizer. I tried to organize my money and trying to save my money. So that's all, guys. Yun yung naipon ko ngayong week. Kayo, try nyo na din mag-ipon sa next week. So, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the bell icon notification. It will always notify you